Students, welcome to our geography class. Before the unit test, we had already started our semester portion, wherein we have completed our chapter 3 of geography, comparing a map and a globe and field visit. Students, I hope all of you have watched the video and solved the assignment. Today, we'll begin with the next chapter of geography, that is weather and climate. In this chapter, we will cover the following points. We will understand the meaning of weather, climate, elements of weather, differences between weather and climate, and factors influencing climate. These are the points that we will be covering in the entire chapter 4, weather and climate. So let's get started with our chapter. In this video today, we will understand first the meaning of introduction to the lesson and meaning of weather. The next point we will be covering in the following lectures. So here we start. Now in your textbook you have something called exercise called as Can You Tell? I want all of you to watch or observe this table which is given over here. They have given the name of a state, the time in that particular state and the weather in that particular state. For example, state Kerala, time over there is 12:30 p.m. and the weather over there is cloudy. Whereas in the state of Madhya Pradesh, MP stands for Madhya Pradesh, time is 12:30 p.m. and the weather over there is hot and sunny. You will observe that these two states are a part of our own country of India and the same time is given over here, but the weather is different. In Kerala it is cloudy, in Madhya Pradesh it is hot and sunny. I want all of you to observe this table carefully and let us solve the questions which are asked in a textbook. The first question says, which place will the clothes dry quickly? All of us know that when we wash our clothes, we put them to dry outside in the air under the sun. Okay, so now I want you all to observe this time, both the states, and tell me which place do you think the clothes will dry faster? Obviously, it is Madhya Pradesh because it is both the places, it is same time, but the weather over there is different. In Kerala, it is cloudy, and in Madhya Pradesh, it is hot and sunny. So the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Next question. Which place will the clothes take time to dry? Which place do you think among Kerala and Madhya Pradesh will it take time to dry the clothes? Obviously, in the place state of Kerala because over there it is cloudy. Okay. All of us know that in the rainy season, when there is no sun in the sky, it takes time to dry the clothes. So since in Kerala the weather is cloudy, it will take time to dry the clothes. Third question, will the atmospheric condition remain same in these places or will change? Now in Kerala at 12:30 p.m. it is cloudy and Madhya Pradesh at 12:30 p.m. it is hot and sunny. Do you think in Kerala throughout the day it will remain cloudy? Or do you think in Madhya Pradesh throughout the day it will remain hot and sunny? No, it will go on changing. We never know. Maybe if this is the morning time, afternoon time given to us. Probably in the evening it might become hot and sunny, and over here in Madhya Pradesh it might probably become cloudy. So the weather in both the states might change after certain period of time. So through this exercise we learned that Kerala has a cloudy weather means little sunlight. Okay, now all of us must have seen what is the meaning of cloudy weather. Okay, in the sky you don't see a fresh sky, you don't see a clear sky, but there are always cloudy, it remains over there. Okay, in this situation there is no sunlight or very less sunlight. Okay, Madhya Pradesh is hot, so clothes will dry quickly. So obviously when to dry clothes, we require very hot climate. We require hot and severe sunlight. Okay, so Madhya Pradesh has such kind of climate, and because of that reason, such kind of weather, because of that reason, clothes will get dry fast in Madhya Pradesh than that of Kerala. So factors like heat is very important. Okay, I think all of us know what is heat. No, garmi karti hai hum sabko. That is very important to dry clothes. Also, the moistures are very important. You know what is moisture? You must have seen fog, no? हमारे पत्ते के ऊपर we see such kind of droplets falling early in the morning or maybe in the winter season. And next is wind. Okay, these are the factors which are very important in determining the drying of the clothes. Okay, so when there is more heat, obviously if you have more heat, if you have more sunlight, the clothes will get dry faster. If it is moisture, do you think it will get the clothes will get dry faster? No. Okay, because such kind of moistures or droplets are found when there is less sunlight and wind. Of course, if there is more wind, the clothes might get dry faster if there is sun along with the wind. Okay, so heat, moisture and wind are very important for to help the clothes dry. So have you ever observed the following? Now I want you all to kindly observe on the following things you must have observed in your life. Now see, it was very cold in the morning. Suddenly in the morning you get up and you realize that it is very, very cold in the morning. On the same day, in the afternoon you realize it is very sultry. Sultry means it is very hot, it is very uncomfortable. So you realize that early in the morning when you get up, it is extremely cold. On the same day in the afternoon, it becomes a little sultry. So that is uncomfortable with very hot sunlight atmosphere. Okay, then all of a sudden you realize that it started raining in the afternoon. Again in the evening it is very sunny. So and again nighttime it was very cloudy sky. So you realize that in a day the temperature goes on increasing or it goes on decreasing. You realize over here sometimes it is extremely sunny, all of a sudden it becomes cloudy, all of a sudden it starts raining, again it becomes sunny. This keeps on changing in a day. Okay, this is called as weather. Weather is something that is not constant. It keeps on changing every day, every time. In a day, you can find number of weathers. For example, as said over here, in the morning you might feel very cold. On the same day in the afternoon, you might feel very sultry, very hot, very uncomfortable. Again in the evening, you might feel very sunny. Nighttime it is raining. It keeps on changing. That is called as weather. So weather is what? Short-lived atmospheric condition prevailing at a place at a given time is called as weather. Short-lived atmospheric condition means the condition in the atmosphere keeps on changing. Sometimes it is hot, it is cold, again it will become little sultry, again it will start raining, again you will feel very sunny. This is called as what? Weather. It keeps on changing. You will never find a particular temperature same in entire day. It keeps on changing. Sometimes nowadays in the morning it feels little cold because it is the rainy season. We are end of the rainy season. It feels some little colder. Similarly, in the afternoon it is extremely hot. Again in the evening, nighttime probably it is little chilled, a little cold. Okay, so that is called as weather. It keeps on changing at a place at a given time. It's called as weather. Okay. So this is for example, you can see sometimes in this absolute clear sky and all of a sudden it starts raining. Okay, that is called as what? Weather. It keeps on changing. The atmospheric condition keeps on changing. Is called as weather. It keeps on changing anytime. That is called as what? Weather. You cannot see that weather is same. Morning it might be cold. You will never observe the evening also it should be cold. No. If it is morning it is cold, again in the afternoon it might become extremely hot, again in the evening it becomes cold. So that is called as weather. It keeps on changing. It could be different at time at different places. For example, today we are staying in a place of Mumbai. Okay. Now Mumbai, for example, it might be or Vasai probably it might be very, very hot in Vasai. It is not necessary that in other parts of India, for example, Goa, Nagpur, Pune, it is extremely hot. It might be very cold also. So in one country or one state also the temperature is different or the weather is different. So let's summarize what we have learned. Today we have learned the meaning of introduction. We just solved the exercise and we have learned the meaning of weather. So we learned that weather is atmospheric condition which keeps on changing over a period of time. So weather or the temperature is not same throughout the day. It keeps on changing. Sometimes it is hot, sometimes it is cold, sometimes it starts raining all of a sudden. That is called as what? Weather. Students, I hope the video is clear to you. We will continue the next part in the next video. Please watch the video and solve the assignment. Thank you.